1 million dance crew.
1 million.
Round 1 in their hometown, Seoul. Let's see what they got.
Let's see it.
It's your people.
Mi gente!
Mi gente coreano.
Mi gente coreano.
Oh, shit.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, they coming out hard. Pause.
Okay. Is
Wait,
that
what?
Leah Kim?
Yeah.
Or- oh my god. What the?
Oh! I get it. Ooh. Oh my god.
That was crazy.
Damn, they pulled out the stops.
Dang, for first round? Oh!
Oh, hell
yes,
no.
ma'am! Oh, yeah?
The way she bent that back, I had to. Judas, baby. Great song choice.
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow. Hey, wacky. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, nice. God damn.
Wow.
They're sick.
This is crazy. Wow. I'm in awe. Judas, Judas. Judas, Judas. Hey. Ooh. Damn. Jesus. Okay. First round is crazy.
For a first round, that's
For
crazy.
first round,
It's going crazy.
holy fuck.
That is Leah
Because
Kim, of course,
in
right?
the beginning, yes.
That's how she starts.
They start like this. But like her being like this, right? And
Yeah.
then them praying to her.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, this is this, and then Judas starts playing.
This is crazy to me too of a start.
Yeah, I was like
In awe. I was like, oh, where are we going with this? Sorry, without the music, because I was.
dude. First,
Wow, yeah.
Hello?
To get to like to connect.
They really said we gotta pop our pussy for soul. Damn. We should do wide view.
Huh?
We should do wide view.
Yeah.
Insane. Wow. Damn.
Damn, they pulled
The
it off.
floor choreography too. Jesus.
So much. Yeah. Damn.
Wow. They're so clean.
Wow. Clean. Sorry, I have to see it.
So the pictures are so clean. Ooh, cover their face.
Yeah, bro.
Shit.
This part right here, yeah.
So good.
Good job. Wow.
Wow.
I'm saying good job like I'm an instructor. That was fire.
The cross formation. Wow.
1 milli.
1 million.
1 milli. God damn.
That really shook me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shook me. In a good way.
In a good way. In a good way.
In a very good way.
1 million dance crew. Round 2.
Ooh.
Let's get it.
They got some markings.
Oh, that's like a.
Ooh.
Are they a spider? I hope not. Spider-Man. Big. What's happening? We just summoned 1 milli. Oh, it is a Spider-Man song. What's up, Danger?
Oh.
Danger? Ooh. Oh. Oh, I know her. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Hey.
Ooh, nice.
Ooh. Nice touches. Wow.
Yeah. Ooh, Toddy? Okay. That was fire. Hey.
Oh. Oh, pop it.
Pop and lock it?
Pop it.
Hey.
Ugh.
Woo!
Love the theatrics too. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Damn.
The ragdoll effect. God. What the fuck? Oh, okay. 1 milli.
1 million.
1 milli. I gotta see that wide.
Why?
Wide time.
It is spiders.
I know. I don't think I've ever seen choreography to like,
This song?
yeah.
Yeah.
Crawling out.
They're coming out!
Ooh.
Oh! See, I didn't even notice that last
The
time.
floor con. Okay, they were more focused in the middle. That was fire.
Nice. Jeez.
Wow.
Oh, damn!
The way the formation was for that was so cool.
Yeah.
Hey.
That was clean.
Ah,
Wow.
the transition to the tutting is so good. Oh my god. Wow. They're so clean. Okay. Hey.
Huh.
Dang.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Ooh. Mmm. Damn, that's tough, bro.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.